My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today it's really bright out. We are at Lost Dutchman State Park. I bought the Teton Oasis 22 L. This is going to be my new day pack. I finally bought another one, I know. I currently have the Teton Oasis 18 L, so this is the 22 L. I thought we could do a little unboxing. Here it is. I thought I'd do a little show and tell before I pack it, and then another video I'm gonna pack it with the current hiking gear that I have, and then I thought we could do like a versus so that I can show you the differences between the 18 L and the 22 L. That way you can see for yourself. Is it worth all the hype? Should you get one of these? Let's find out. So this is the 22 L. I'm excited to show you what the differences are, but honestly there isn't too much. You'll be able to see pretty clearly that this is a little bigger, but for today we're just going to do an unboxing. So this is how it comes. It comes just in a plastic bag, and I'm sorry I'm squinting, it's very bright outside. I do apologize. As you know, I always like to start from the bottom up because, listen, your bag is making contact with the ground all the time. I'm not even kidding. So let's take a look at the bottom. As you can see, there's not a lot of cushion here. This is directly going to sit on the ground, and if you fill this with stuff, yeah, right? So the thing here with Teton is that they like to put the rain fly in the bottom. So the first thing that I do, and that I did with the old one, is I remove the rain fly. So it comes with a rain fly. I live in Arizona. Look at this desert, okay? We don't need no rain flies here, all right? So we're gonna be getting rid of this. That way it'll save me both on weight and on space as well. It's not gonna take up this pocket. So this little rain cover pocket, we don't need to do anything like that. So we have an extra little hidden pocket. It's Velcro though, so be careful. Don't put like money or anything in it. But a little Velcro pocket, secret pocket down here that you can hide some stuff if you wanted, right? Okay, now moving up the bag, Teton always has this little pocket on the very outside of the pack. I find this pocket to be extremely helpful. I put like my Garmin here, you know, my Garmin, in this pocket typically goes like emergency gear, I don't know, whatever you need, right? It's just kind of however you want to do your own pack, you know? And then what I like about the Teton is that it has this little, these bungee cords on the outside, so you can strap different stuff to the outside of your pack too. And then this cinches, so that way you can cinch it down, make it tighter or looser, depending on what you want to store here in the outer pocket. I just wanted to show that here too. And then of course Teton likes to pander to the people who ride bicycles, so they always say that you can fit a bicycle helmet in this little stuff sack in here. And then finally there is a teeny tiny pocket all the way at the top. This is where I usually keep personal gear, like not my cell phone, but I keep car keys in here and maybe my wallet, you know, so that's where I keep that sort of stuff in this little pocket. And you can actually store quite a lot in this little thing. And then the Teton Oasis pack, it has two pockets in it, right? It's got this pocket, which goes all the way down there, you can see, and it's got some little pamphlets here, and it comes with a free checklist. We'll look at that in a little bit. Then it has a hydration bladder pocket specifically. As you can see, this pocket doesn't open all the way, right? It just has this, it does like a little half moon crescent here, opens just a part way, but it can easily fit a 3 L, and guess what? It comes with one of those cheaper 3 L if you needed a free one, comes with it, right? I typically end up throwing these away or using them once and being annoyed, so, you know, whatever. I don't think they have improved the quality of the freebie that they give you. And then, let's see, let's look on the back. Oh, sorry. And then you can see here where you can strap your water bladder to this hook, this Velcro hook, to kind of keep it strapped up into the bag. That way it doesn't fall down as you drink water, right? Typically the water bladders collapse as you drink, and therefore compressing it, making it harder to drink out of. But this strap keeps it up and keeps it tight if you want it, right? So I do notice that this pocket is bigger, so we'll have to see how much stuff we can fit in it, right? Okay, so that's it for the bag, right? You have this little pocket in the front and another one up high and a stuff sack pocket. What I'm calling the stuff sack pocket is pretty open though. Look, stuff can fall out of there, okay? You're not gonna be getting a lot of stuff in there and it's gonna fall out, so just be careful. And then you have the two main pockets, right? You have the main pocket here, and then you have the isolated water bladder pocket. And typically, yes, they still do this. This is waterproof. So this is a little hole cut in the bottom and the water simply drips out if there's condensation or if your bag is leaking or whatnot. This is really gonna save you because this pocket, I don't know if it's still waterproof, but at least it's water resistant. So there's a separation here, right? So all your stuff can go in here. Only the water bladder in here separates all your stuff, right? Okay, and now we're in the back of the bag. I wanted to show you the padding. It's pretty nice. Hey, not a sponsor, by the way. I bought this, okay? It was like 60 bucks. So it looks like the straps and the back of the bag, pretty standard, you know, for utilizing for hiking bags, right? It's got the simple chest strap, which on here comes with a built-in whistle. We don't really need any of that. And then it comes with straps at the bottom as well. Again, I don't really use those. For these type of bags, I just use the straps. You've seen me wear this bag, my orange one, 10,000 times. So, pretty easy. And look, these are pretty nice straps too. I'm gonna give you a close-up here in a minute. And then, I wanted to show you the reason why I had to buy a new bag actually is because my pockets are all stretched out and worn. So I needed to get a new one and hopefully one with deeper pockets. Looks like Teton still went with the cheap route. Pockets on each side, the mesh pockets. I like that these are breathable, great for my iPhone, perfect for Arizona weather. It's kind of, you know, sunny, hot. We need breathable pockets for our phones and stuff, okay? And then it's got these fun straps as well for your water bladder hose. So you can put your water bladder hose in there. You've seen me hike with this pack. Anyways, this was just the unboxing. Hey, thanks for coming with. That's everything that comes with it. Oh, and then it comes with a free checklist as well. Backpacking and camping checklist. Of course, they want you to buy all their gear. So the sleeping gear is the Teton Sports sleeping bag, the Teton Sports tent, Teton Sports cot. Come on now, really? Teton Sports pillow, the ground cloth, hand warmers, food, fuel, whatever. So it comes with a little freebie checklist that you can utilize or not utilize if you don't feel like it, you know. But it's interesting at least. And then comes with this little tag here. And I'm curious to see what it says. So let's go ahead and read it. So this is the Teton Sports Oasis 22 liter. Again, I'm not sponsored, okay? Get outdoors and enjoy life. People choose Teton Sports because they want gear that will go the extra mile without the premium price. We back all of our gear with a lifetime warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. This warranty is cheerfully extended to the original owner only and excludes normal wear and tear or misuse. To learn more or start a return, exchange, or repair, please visit tetonsports.com. Oasis 22 comes with a cute little picture. Dimensions. It's 18 inches by 10 inches and 7 inches deep. The shell is 600D Dobby ripstop. The waist range is up to 46 inches. Capacity is 22 liters or 1,300 inches cubed. Pack weight 2.2 pounds. Designed for mountain bikers, hikers, paddlers, and skiers. Travelers, tourists, and commuters. Long single-day outings, storing clothes, or for changing weather. And then it just has the available colors. It tells you about the hydration ports on the left and right side. Ripstop, outer construction, front zip pockets, 3-liter bladder included. And then on the back, it shows reinforced shoulder straps, insulated mesh panel, submersion drain drip hull. I like that part, especially in Arizona. It's hot. Sometimes I like to put ice inside of my 3-liter bag and drink that. And guess what? That causes a lot of condensation on the outside of your 3-liter. So anyways, this is nice, you know? So this is what comes in it. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the hydration ports. Let me show you there. I don't use them personally. All I do is when I put my bladder in here, when I put my bladder in here, what I do is I just have the cord and it just comes out the bag, and then I just simply zip it in, right, like that, you know. But Teton does offer right and left hydration ports, and what that means is that there's a little space here to put your hydration cord, you know, feed it through basically. I don't got time to feed my cord. Listen, I'm drinking a lot of water on the go, okay? I just want to make sure that I can drink a lot of water on the go. I don't need it perfectly tied up in here. So you can see here it offers hydration ports where you can stick the cord through and drink from it on left or the right side. You see what I'm saying? Like so. Cool, huh? Anyways, forgot to show you that. All right. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Listen, I am ready to go on a 12-day trip to Yosemite. Come along with me. We're taking this bag. I'm excited. It's pretty too, you know? Anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. It's a beautiful day today, all right? Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching me, and I'll see you in the next video.